What's up, everyone? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. Wow, first year of the stream, or first stream of the year. If I could English, that would be great. Hope everybody had a good, safe, happy, or happy. I hope everybody had a good, safe New Year's Eve. I don't know why I can't speak right now. I am pretty tired, though. Did not sleep very good last night. Let's start. Spy. So me personally, I shorted. Wait, that's not what I'm trying to do. I shorted Spy up here. Actually, sorry, up here. My bad, I'm going back to Monday. On Tuesday, I shorted Spy, right? I don't know. On one of these candles. I think it was the second candle here. Somewhere in this hot mess. Played it down to the November value rate low, and then I closed. The only thing... Oh, I felt like I called it out, but I didn't. But this was our area we were looking for calls. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to alert this short because I wasn't home. So I actually took it on my phone. But this was our entry long, and you should have closed at the previous day value low, or trimmed, and then if you're targeting higher. But that's pretty much it. We did call out the bottom. Never made it up here, unfortunately. I do have an option set up I'm looking at for tomorrow. Tesla. Over 404.85. I'll be looking at calls. First trim 406.99, second trim 409, and then close at 410.96. It should actually be going probably back up to here, 429 to 434 ish. But I'm going to be doing this just as a day trade in and out. What's up, Jack? What's up, Uno? What's up, Corey? What's up, Gigi? What's up, Nathan? Hey, GT man. Alan, how you doing? What's up, Triple G? What's up, David Rain? Let's chart up Spy really quick. For tomorrow. Clean up some stuff here. Oops, not that one. Hey, what's up, Daryl? Bro, why do I keep deleting the wrong level? Alright. Can I... Okay, I'm going to delete this because we don't need that. And delete that. Thank you. All right, 30-minute chart, session volume profile. Oh, wait, this was a half day, right? Yeah, we're not moving these levels forward. We actually don't have anything to chart. Crazy. I didn't even think about this. I'm literally just wasting everybody's time. Hey, what's up, update? What's up, Robert Carl? How you doing? Wow. If you guys have questions, let me know now, because besides that Tesla play, I have nothing to go over. Um, dude, people are wild. Did you guys hear that? The it's like a freaking war zone here. No, it wasn't a gunshot. That was a firework, but that was like a legit like mortar. Dude, people are crazy. No, that was literally fireworks. I promise you I know the difference between a gunshot and fireworks. Yeah, this is pretty lame. Tomorrow, man. Excuse me. Do we have any exciting news tomorrow? Oh. An hour before the market opens, unemployment claims. And then half an hour after, or sorry, hour and a half after open, crude oil inventories. 15 minutes after opening, final manufacturing PMI. So those three things are going to move the market. Futures, wild. Had a pretty big sell-off, and now they basically bought it all the way back up. They've bought it up past the open. And excuse me, I'm kind of rejecting there. Or I guess I should specify NQ. ES is not quite back to its open level, but it's getting there. Oh no. Do they really? Okay, so just news, but their earnings is on the 22nd. Okay. I saw like that Cybertruck on fire in front of the Trump towers or whatever. So, yeah, the firework was super loud. Maybe I can do a lesson session. I'm good, man. I'm half asleep. Tesla call. Over 404.85 take calls. First trim 406.99. Second trim 409. Close at 410 and 96 cents. And actually, I want to place an alert. Hmm? Yeah, that's probably bad news. Okay, I guess I'll do that later. That's annoying. I mean, I already did Uno. I don't. If you don't agree with it, just don't take it. Like, yeah. And I think more importantly, there's nothing for me to explain because it's not my trade. That's Shorty's trade. But I posted this in Keenan's Discord. These are the clouds. We're right now bouncing on the weekly top. This is the retest of the weekly top. And as long as they stay above this, this is going to be a strong support level. And then Elliott waves. I have 4 different time frames that are saying buy up, buy up, buy up, buy up. And as you can see, like on this one, it gave a buy up here, it gave a buy down here, and now it's giving a buy up. So, yeah, just don't take it if you don't agree with it. Jay, that's going to take time. And I didn't say they're going to have big news. I said we think there's going to be big news. Sammy, I'm probably not the best person to ask about swing trading. I just am not a big fan of swing trading. Like, why specifically swing trading? Because swing trading, you can't, like, you have to risk everything, like zero or, it's basically all or nothing, because your stop losses aren't going to be respected in the overnight session. I'm assuming. Hey, what's up, Siri? Who's Shorty? Oh, Shorty's a market maker. He's my mentor. You can look him up on Twitter. I'll link his Twitter if you guys want to look at it. Yeah, Shorty would otherwise be known as the actual goat, like not the fake goat. So, Sammy, then you trade futures. Hey, what's up, Chef? Yeah, so like, I don't know, maybe a Siri can speak on this because I feel like I talk about it way too much and not very many people listen. But if you're working during market hours, what you do is you open a futures account and they're open 23 hours a day, 6 days a week. And when you're not working, you trade futures. And that would be the solution to not being able to trade during the day when the market's open. Okay. If you're in a trade, I'm not going to put in like actual levels, but if this is your trade, something like this, and the price does this, at that point, your stop loss. Oh, I can't move it. Oh, come on. It's a little bit hard to show, but basically, not your entry, but your stop loss would move to break even, and then your profit target level would move to the next level, and you would close one contract here. So if you bought multiple contracts, you would close one, lock in profits, move your stop loss to break even, and then move your profit target to the next level. If you only bought one contract, you just close them at the first trim level. If price makes it up to here, then your take profit level goes to here, and your stop loss would go to here, and so on and so forth. And that's how you trim. Okay. It's a little bit harder to do when you're trading options because you don't have like your option contract doesn't line up with price on the chart, but you have to just kind of guesstimate to the best of your ability. Why are you not agreeing with me, Asuri, on trading futures? That's where it's at. So, Sammy, like, I'm not trying to blow you off, but like, literally, I'm not the person to ask about swing trading. I'm really not a fan. I don't know of any traders out there that like are particularly great at swing trading to like suggest to you, but I would just, yeah, if you're really wanting to swing trade, I would try to find somebody that's better at swing trading than me. Basically, it's not my cup of tea. So. basically, on Intel, we think they're going to get bought by a bigger company. Somebody asked about Apple. Sorry, I'm trying to find it. Oh, it's in a buy zone here. Yeah, I'd be bullish on Apple here. What do you mean trade at night and work all day? You could trade futures for like 5 minutes and make plenty of money. Yeah, I'm not looking at penny stocks. It's not going to happen. Yeah, I'm definitely not looking at a penny stock that's down like $12 from the high. I'm good. This... What is it? Yeah, so you'll find like a lot of influencers will talk about stocks like this because I can't tell you like buy whatever like 1,000 shares of Nvidia, would cost you $142,000, whereas 1,000 shares of whatever I was just looking at, KLTR, I think. Yeah, would cost you $2,200, right? And then I can, if I suggest this to you, buy 1,000 shares and it goes up a couple bucks, you double your money. Like, it's just not realistic. Like, you have to get super lucky on stocks like this, penny stocks, to make money. But for an influencer, like, it's a lot easier to promote buying something like this versus buying like, something that's $150. What's SoundCloud? SoundHound AI. Well, definitely not a buyer here. SoundHound is a voice artificial intelligence company. Hey, what's up, Sarah? How you doing? No, sorry, I'm just saying trade futures when you're not busy at work, you know? Um, yeah, I'm not saying trade like all night or whatever. And even so, you know, like a Suri, you'll understand this. So like if I'm trading futures, if I'm trading options, it's very difficult to say like close at this level because you can't match the contract price up with levels on the chart. Whereas on futures, I can literally say buy here, stop loss here, take profit here, you know, and those levels won't change. I enter my trade, I can shut down, go to sleep, whatever, and either my stop loss gets hit or my take profit gets hit, you know. You can't really do that with options unless you're doing like, you know, percentages or P&L, but you can't do levels on the chart really with options like that. I mean, like this looks decent, like based on what the company is, based on what they're doing. Like, if I really wanted shares, I would try to get in there. But they might not offer this to us, you know, like it just had a really big run up. This retest here was like where you get in, basically right there. This would be like ideal, but unlikely that they would give you these prices. But yeah, somewhere in here would be really great for shares. What's a risky one to buy, a Siri? Sound? You know, like right now, you don't have levels to go off of. We're at like all-time highs. So it makes it hard. Yeah, for shares, I think I would start like dollar cost averaging in there, hoping to get most of my fills down in here. And if they offer you this, you would load the boat at this level. But if they clear this, they're going higher. We'll probably go make a new all-time high. So. Oh, you're saying on sound? $8? Yeah. I mean, again, this is like the level to get filled. Highly doubt you're going to get $8. But I mean, it'll be nice. But yeah, this... Hey, what's up, Lisa? Happy New Year. Thank you. Many blessings to you as well. I think I said hi to you, Nora. If I didn't, sorry. Happy New Year. Good to see you. Yeah, this, I don't know. It's not anything I would be interested in buying. Leo, are you asking me what futures are best to trade? Yeah, I covered Tesla. Here, I can pull it up really quick. Oh, wait, I need to delete these. This is what I'm looking at here. Over 404.85 calls. First trim 406.99. Second trim 409. Close at 410.96. Artemis, how can you tell the difference between a stock trader and a influencer? Well, influencers are always going to be trying to promote like a Discord, trying to promote things like Moomoo, Weeble, Robinhood, because all of those things they get commissions off of people signing up on. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with influencers, you know. I mean, I can't speak for all of them, but like Keenan is an influencer, right? And Asuri's a admin in his Discord. I'm a moderator in his Discord. If you watch him trade live, he can trade, you know, like, so there's no arguing it. Like, if you want to know if somebody's a good trader or not, you watch them trade live. If they can trade live, because you can't fake that. You know, you might be able to fake it once, like you might get lucky and hit some levels, but when somebody trades live consistently and does it over and over and over again, they're a trader. And I guess you can also be a trader and an influencer at the same time, right? Yeah, and that's good advice from Leo. Make sure that you max out your Roth IRA every year. Should be $7,000 for most people, and then if you're over, I forget the age, 50 something, 56, I think it is, you can contribute $7,000 or $8,000, something like that. Jack, I just check open interest right on what's it called? Thinkorswim. So right in my trading software. Any good, like, or I should say any half decent trading software should have open interest as something that you can check. Leo, same thing. Trade futures. If you're busy when the New York Stock Exchange is open and you're not able to trade, then trade futures when they're open 23 hours a day. So just trade when you're not busy on the road. I mean, like the main ones is going to be the NQ, which is basically the future for NASDAQ, and ES is the future for the S&P 500. So this is basically QQQ, and this is basically SPY. And then there's some other stuff, like some people like to trade copper, some people like to trade gold. They really respect, I guess, volume profile. I've never really looked at it much myself. Somebody asked something and I realized I did not answer it. So GT man, you're asking me about a potential bounce to 601 that Shorty talked about. That's Shorty. I don't know. Like, I don't know what to tell you. I looked at it, like I'm looking at the chart. I mean, I guess like 601.74 is possible. You know, like Trump going into office might push it up there, but I don't know what Shorty is looking at specifically. We're two different people, you know. The official stock sage. Sorry, your question was the one I was looking for. I apologize. I didn't mean to like overlook your question, but I saw your question and then I got busy. I don't know, answering other questions, talking about other stuff. The way that I like to use volume profile is basically anytime that you break a level. So when I say this, like when I'm at the previous day value area low, I'm generally thinking bullish, but that's not always 100% true. When I'm at previous day value area high, I'm generally thinking bearish, but that's also not always 100% true. But what I like to see is break through a level, have 3 5-minute candles close above, then retest, and then I would enter, basically like targeting, you know, the next levels on the way up kind of thing. So like this would be my entry here after 3 5-minute candles or more, close above, and we retest. So as a beginner, you should read Volume Profile by Trader Dale. It's linked in the description of the video, and that would explain. Here, I'm trying to pull it up. Jeez, where's my books? Sorry, I'm trying to find it here. Okay, so Volume Profile by Trader Dale. So this is exactly what I'm talking about here. When you have a level, so like you consider this, I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be like a volume profile level. Oops, sorry. But support, broken, you get at least 3 5-minute candles closing below, you retest, you would enter short. Inverse for calls, reject, breakthrough, retest, calls. This is the open drive, this is pre-market chopping sideways. Sell off at the open, come back, retest that level that we opened at, you would enter puts. Same thing here, open drive. This is the open, retest it, puts. Same thing for calls, chopping sideways before the open, rip up, come back, retest, enter calls. This is ABCD, which it's kind of hard to measure. I like to use the indicator by, you can see it here. It gave the buy up signal right there. I don't know why I can't see the lines, but so buy up here, buy up here, buy up here. And this one gave over 100 points already. Actually, it's way more now. When I looked at it earlier, it was 100 points. Now it's 180 points. But, or so here it's saying to sell down. And so this indicator is ABCD by AB equals CD by Patterns Hunter. And then depending on what time frame you're on, you'll get different signals for buy and sell. Whoops. So just highly recommend reading Volume Profile by Trader Dale. So this is just more like breaking the daily high, retesting that level, calls, same thing, daily high, retest, calls, daily low, breaking below, retesting, puts. But yeah, this is just a book that is like a must read in my opinion. But really, like all of the trades off of Volume Profile, I'm looking for a level to be broken like this, get 3 5-minute candles or more below, retest, or break above 3 5-minute candles above, retest. Okay, hopefully that answers your question. Solo one for retirement accounts where you can't do futures. How would you trade? If you're not like an amazing trader, I wouldn't trade in a retirement account. I would just buy mutual funds or ETFs or dividend stocks. If you're a good trader, then I guess trade options. If you're saying that you're not available during like the New York Stock Exchange hours, yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, no worries, Robert. Tesla's already there. Tesla's already where? No, it's not. What's up, Robinhood? Tesla is up to 408. Then I guess you can't take this trade. Yeah, if Tesla already ripped up, then I mean, it just proves that my levels were good. Nothing I can do about it though. I'm not going to change my levels based on where price is right now. I saw a bounce at the level that it's at, which is why I'm calling these levels out. And if it's already, almost up to my second trim level, then it is what it is. I can't, my levels aren't going to change based on that. US 100. I mean, the issue is, Siri, I'm not even going to have it charted. I think right now you want a retest of... You want a retest of this? To grab calls. Yeah, I would want this to be clean. 1, 2, 3. Like if this candle closes above and then they retest this, I would grab calls. All right. I'm always right. I wouldn't go that far. I'm married. I'm wrong pretty often. I'm waiting for a shoe to get thrown across the room. Yeah, it makes sense, Alan. It's a bummer though. Major bummer because I was excited to play this tomorrow, but it is what it is. I can't change it. So it's already hit my second trim level now. Nice, good stuff. All right, everybody. That's all I have for tonight. Yeah. Oh, for sure. What a Siri just said, like, you definitely cannot always be right. And in trading, you need to expect to lose. You know, like, that's just part of the game. It's not a big deal. Update, like, we just look for the next setup. That's all it is. It's not a big deal. Life goes on. All right. Well, as always, thank you all. Much love, much respect. Appreciate all of you. Appreciate the people that, chit chat and interact with me. Makes things more interesting. Keeps things interesting. Man, I almost feel like I need a Robinhood account to see these new 24-hour stocks or whatever. I wonder if it's on Webull, because that's annoying. Yeah, it is. Okay, 409.30. Crazy. Those rat bastards. They're like hitting all my levels already. What can you do? And Happy New Year, everybody. Let's crush it this year. It's crazy. I can't believe it's 2025. So as always, much love, much respect. Peace out, y'all. Appreciate you all. You all have a good night. See you tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.